Hello everyone and welcome to my studio. My name is Kristen Olson Stone. I saw this beautiful picture of a cardinal, a red cardinal bird, and it's perched on a branch, and I thought, wouldn't it be fun if for a Christmas card if this bird was perched on a candy cane? So I thought that would make a really fun card to paint and a fun video to share with all of you. I'm painting this with Rembrandt watercolors on a Canson Montval 5" by 7" blank greeting card. I'm going to draw this with De Atramentis document ink in black. So I'm going to start with his head and his pretty little crest, and just mark in the wings and a nice long pretty red tail. And he's been eating lots of berries, so he has a nice big tummy and two cute little feet. And has a nice marking of like a black mask. Kind of reminds me of my miniature schnauzer faces. So there's a black mask here. Beak, and there's his eye. And this is a he. The male cardinals are red, and the females are more of an apricot color. I think I need to make his crest a little bit bigger. And his body just a little bit bigger. So for the candy cane, so instead of a branch, let's imagine that he's perched on a nice red and white striped candy cane. And the candy cane, just put some stripes. There, and now we're ready to paint. On the back of my cards, I usually write something like a hand-painted watercolor card by Kristen Olson Stone, and I'll put a title on it sometimes. So I'm going to start with permanent red deep, and I'm going to mix it with cadmium red light. I'm using a Silverbrush Belle Aqua dagger brush. This is the 1/4 inch dagger brush. I love this brush. It's really nice to paint with. So there's its tail. Just making nice, fresh, loose looking brush strokes. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like for this video. You can ask me questions in the comment section or just make a comment if you'd like, but I'd love to hear from you. I go on my YouTube dashboard every day and I check for comments and I answer them. Okay, so there's the red part of the bird, but I am going to add a little definition. I'm going to use Madder Lake Deep. Madder Lake Deep is very similar to alizarin crimson. So if you don't have Madder Lake Deep, you can use alizarin crimson or any sort of a dark, cool red. So whenever I paint, I like to have a variety of cool and warm temperature colors. So for each color family, I like to have a cool and a warm color. And you don't always have to think of it as being cool and warm. You could also think of it as going in one direction and the other on your color wheel. So red that's orangish red goes towards orange on the color wheel. And if it's a cooler red, it goes towards pink on the color wheel. So now that deeper, cooler red gave us some definition, and I'm going to add some more cadmium red because that's more of an orangish red on the body of the bird, and I'm also going to put that on the beak. There we are. Oh, and the legs. The legs are sort of a orangish red as well. So now for the candy cane. And by the way, I'm not going to do the mask until the paint dries around it a little bit, and then I'll come back and do the mask. So I don't worry about making my paint strokes too perfect and staying in the lines. I sort of make my drawing a part of the artwork. It's not necessarily an outline for my paint, but has its own say, I guess, in my artwork. So just going around painting some red patches for my candy cane. And now I'm going to jump over to the mask of the bird. And I'm trying to not use too much water. I don't want it to really run. I'm going to put a little bit in the bird's eye. There we are. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of a shadow on the candy cane as well. So I'm going to grab some cobalt blue and mix it with the red that I already have. And I'll make it as if the bird is casting a little bit of a shadow onto the candy cane. And I'll put a little bit of a shadow on the inside of the candy cane as well. So there's our Christmas cardinal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this painting video and that it inspires you to paint a little Christmas cardinal of your own. Happy holidays, everyone, and happy painting.